Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will let you know how you can reset your HP laptop. So first of all, go into search bar, type reset. You can see here reset this PC option. What you have to do is just open it, and you can see the specifications. Here is that reset this PC if your PC is not working. So what you have to do is to click on get started. After clicking, you can see this pop-up of choose an option. There are two options in front of you. The first is keep my files. In that you would remove apps and settings but keep your personal files, and the second option is remove everything. So choose second option, and what you have to do is now is just wait, because here is additional settings just appear. What you have here is just click on next. After clicking, your PC is start ready for resetting. You have to wait here for 2 to 3 minutes. After it's done, you can see here a new pop-up, so let's wait for that. So you can see here a new pop-up ready to reset this PC. Here are some final specifications they are asking for. You have to click on final reset option. So here you have to wait for 10 to 20 minutes before it's preparing your reset operations. After it successfully recover your all reset, you will successfully ready for reset. So here you can see my processing is ready, and now our PC is successfully start for resetting. Wait until 100%.